Guys, today I'm very excited. This is a very cool trick that I got in my sleep. This is the gestures for the iPhone with the Touch ID. All iPhone like 6S, 7, 8, all the iPhone with the Touch ID. You can have this, the gestures, on all devices. So, like the one you found on the iPhone X, iPhone XS, and the iPhone 11. So, first thing you have to do is jailbreak. I know jailbreak can be scary. You can be scared to do this, but there isn't any security issues right now, and you can use still Apple Wallet, Apple Pay, and everything. All things work. So to do the jailbreak, you have two main ways. So if you go into the settings and you go to your device info, and in the info of your devices you found if you have 13.5 or fewer, or 13.5 on newer. It is 13.5. If you have 0.1 next this trick, you have to do the other way. So if you have 13.5 or less, you can install via Uncover. There are many ways. I will put the link in the description for what you have to do a jailbreak. You simply do jailbreak and then you have Cydia. And if you have a device with 13.5.1 or later, you must go to the Checkrain website, and there all devices with the Touch ID, less other than the newer SE, you can install in any version. And most important thing, when you install this type of tricks, remember to do a backup for the data. It is safe, but sometimes it can happen that sometimes a thing goes wrong. Maybe you have a faulty cable. It can happen. So with Cydia, you need to install this trick, and this trick is called Gesture i11. It is a free trick. You don't have to pay nothing, and there are many settings to choose, and I go around for the simple ones, but you can do everything. As you can see, it works all the gestures. So swipe, long swipe to pick up all the apps, a quick swipe to dismiss on the app, and also it works the save between the various apps, as you can see. So the various settings, now when you have installed all the settings, and if you want another video talking about all the tricks that you can have in your iPhone, please share, subscribe, and like the video, and write in the comments what tricks, what are the most hideous things you hate about iOS, and now we can fix them all of them. So in the tricks you need to find gestures i11. Now we have all the settings, so your default that you can use. It is the most beautiful one, and it is the same as the iPhone. It is very effective, and this changed the status bar. I found that these other things are stupid, I can say, because in a small device like this that I have no notch, I prefer to have no notches, so to display all the things that I want. So this is how. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.